nice, Sergio. Great.
So today, yeah, we're checking out our new listing out in Tarzana. It's one of our first listings we're going to have out in San Fernando Valley as we look to expand out into other communities and neighborhoods here. So it's pretty exciting.
What do you guys think of the curb appeal?
Love it.
All right. They just put in all the new grass,
Yeah.
all this shrubs and everything, so it's got a really fresh look to it.
I mean, the street presence of the house is great, but when you walk through these big double doors, it's a huge space inside and really tons of windows, so really bright, very modern, very cool environment.
Once I entered the house, the French oak wood immediately got my heart, and then the open concept layout, the fireplace, and then the living room here, and the family room there, and will connect to the kitchen, which I feel is so ideal for the indoor and outdoor entertaining and gathering for the friends.
I think as a team, we're going to do a great job selling this property because we all really connect to it. We also have a lot of great buyers who are interested in purchasing homes of that nature, open floor plan, great smart design style.
So, I mean, who do you guys think going to be the ideal buyer for it?
I'm picturing a family.
Yeah. Definitely. An ideal buyer for this house would be probably a family with young kids.
I think they really love it, and because also it easy access to the golf course, and also got the club. So that's really what they want to. And also know this area got lots of unique and nice restaurants.
I think the ideal buyer is going to be really anyone who loves like functional design. It's beautiful, but at the same time, it's completely usable.
The way it's laid out, it's got tons of space, but it's got 5 bedrooms. But one of the bedrooms is actually off to the side, so even if a family wanted to have like a separate guest room or maybe a mother-in-law suite, it's perfect for that.
I will expect multiple offers for this house right away on our grand opening.
My client completely renovated the place, you know, from top to bottom, new flooring, new kitchen, new windows, new sliding doors, new recessed lighting. It's our challenge to raise the bar, set a whole new price record for the neighborhood. It's going to have a mass appeal to, I think, a variety of people.